This is a short video introduction to the AuberNet Systems integration for Paxton Net2 and Milestone X-Protect Access and the features available in the Milestone Smart Client. So we will start by logging into the Milestone Smart Client. When logging into the Smart Client, there are a number of features related to access control. We will go through these in order. Let's start with the maps in Milestone. So here we have a map in Milestone and a door from the Net2 system. So this door has some options. We can right click a door and we have the option to open the door, and we'll just show that. When the door is opened, the door will go green to show it's unlocked, and then after a pre-configured time in Paxton, the door will then again lock. We also have the ability to open the door from the readers as well. Should we have an alarm on the door, we can acknowledge the alarms, we can disable new alarms for a time, we're able to ignore the status if needed, open, hold open, and close the door. We also see the status of reads on the door. So I have some badges here that I will present. My first badge is going to be an access granted. We will now see the door opens, and then the door will lock again. We also see that the reader flashes green to show a successful read in the system. I will now show in the map how a non-authorized badge is seen. I'll present that on the reader. We see the reader goes red and we generate an alarm. And then we also see an alarm on both the access control reader and the door that was attempted to be accessed. I can now right click the door and then say acknowledge alarms. The alarm then went from my new alarm list to my in progress alarm, and I can now right click and close this alarm. This alarm will also be closed in Net2. We can also show some features in Milestone around the access control monitor. This is the live access control interface. So again, if I present a card on the system now, the door will open and then we'll see the access denied. So the door will not open, we see access denied for that card. If I then present a valid card, we see the door opens, we see the event that the door is now unlocked. And as soon as the door is then closed, we see who that person was going through the door. We also have a number of other events that we can see. So I'll trigger some alarms now. We have a tamper alarm that I've just triggered. So the tamper event on a door. We also have a door forced open. So again, and this will also create an alarm. So door open. An intruder alarm is a door forced. Finally, we also have a push to exit. So if I exit here, this shows that the door has been unlocked by a valid button. And finally, we can also push the bell icon in Paxton, and we will get a pop-up for an operator to then allow or close the door. So I'll choose to open the door. We get an event to say the door was unlocked, and this is all configurable. AuberNet Systems have also added a new feature to this access control integration we're calling auto tracking. So on this system, imagine I am in a map view now. Let me just close these alarms. I'll acknowledge alarms. We will come back to the alarms in a moment. I can go to auto tracking, and if I were to type a username into the system and now use their card and badge into the system, this now creates a pop-up in the Milestone Smart Client. So this can help you find a user that you may not be able to find around site. You know that eventually they will badge into the system again, and when they do, you instantly are presented with a pop-out window in Milestone. Let's now look at the alarm manager in Milestone. So the alarm manager, as the events come in, as I said, we can have a door forced event. We see that intruder alarm come into the Milestone management client. The door is now flashing red. We have the alarm state. I can right click and close it straight away. If I close the alarm from the door, the alarm goes into in progress instead of being closed straight away. We also have many search features in the access control. So here I have the access control events. If I just go to the last hour, I see all the events on the system. What I will just do is just choose live update. Live update will show me every read on the system in real time. So I'll just show a badge there and we get a new event in the system. A door unlocked, and then we're able to click and see the two events associated with that door. We're also able to search on doors, so I can see the status of the doors here. The door is closed and locked. I can also then look into the card holders and search on a given card holder and view all of their card holder events on the system. I can see all the times they presented and then see the recorded footage from those times. Finally, we can also present a report. So here I have last hour in the events. I can now hit access report and then I will create this report to my desktop. This is going to be 39 events with screenshots where the cameras to be recording. So this is creating a PDF, details, go to the desktop and open this PDF. And now I have all the times that this access control system within those times has been activated and any recorded images that go along with it. So this is a short presentation of the features and availability of events within the Milestone XProtect Smart Client. Thank you.